Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing my new iPad that I got, which I have here, over here, and also I got a screen protector and a case from Amazon, which I'll be opening as well because yeah, I just don't want it to get damaged, so I got the whole lot. So I'll be unboxing this in this video. Oh, and yeah, I got the Apple Pencil. I hope you guys can see it over there. So I'll be unboxing this in this video and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So I got the iPad 7th generation, and to be fair, the reason why I got this one is I didn't feel like I need to spend too much on the iPad, only because literally it's only going to be for taking notes and that's it. That's the main purpose of it. I'm not really using it for anything else. I'm not sure yet if I'll use it in terms of editing and stuff like that. I'll see, but the main purpose for it is to make notes, and I feel like it'd just be easy for me to carry my iPad about, especially because clinical years is about to start. It'll be easy to write new notes on it and be able to take it around with me, especially if I'm traveling back and forth from uni to home. This would be probably easier for me. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I feel like I'm talking too much, so I'm going to go straight into the video. Okay, I'm going to open this box first. So this is the box with the actual iPad, and I got the colour Space Grey. That's like my favourite colour to get. I always get that. So yeah, I'm actually excited. Like, I actually can't wait to use this. So it says iPad 7th generation, Wi-Fi, 128 gigabyte, and yeah, and like I said before, I got it in Space Grey. I've set up most of it, and now I'm just going to open this one, which is basically my screen protector and my case. So I'm going to put that on and then I'll do the rest. So another unboxing. Okay, so this is a screen protector that I got. I think there's two inside. That's one. Okay, it's because you can put the pen over here, which I like. Yeah, it can fit there nicely. I'm so bad at putting screen protectors, so I'm like so nervous right now. But I'm gonna attempt. If I don't do it right, I still got another screen